Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and if you press that bell, and I recommend that you do, it's called the notification bell. What ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the actual video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you guys to miss out. So if you've hit that subscribe button, and I hope you do, make sure to press that bell. All right? Okay. Today is a day that I'm going to be sharing with you the items that I purchased in the flash sale on IPSY. And it came in this bag, so I wasn't sure if this was going to be my monthly bag, but it ended up being the flash sale. And if you're not familiar with the flash sale, I try very hard to share with you guys because there was so much that was new to me, and there was so many little secrets or things that a lot of the girls just know. So when they do their videos, they talk about it like as if we're all informed. So I always try to add a little bit of extra information. So in case you're new to IPSY, or if it's something you didn't know how it worked, I try to share a little bit of that information with you guys. All right. The flash sale happens when we choose our products, because in IPSY, you're allowed to customize one product per bag. I do get all three on my channel. I get the $12 starter bag, I get the plus, which is the 5, which is $25, and then the ultimate, which is the 8 full size with 4 deluxe sizes, and that box is $50. So everything that you want to know about the IPSY subscriptions, you'll see it on my channel. But there are these other little cute things that IPSY does for us. They give free products if you do your reviews in the points section. They have a shopper, which is fantastic every day. They change bundles and things like that, and there are always fantastic deals there. But this flash sale was something that was new to me. I found out about it a few times ago because I did have the opportunity to purchase things from it. And what shows up in the flash sale and how they group it together, it's not available on add-ons, and it's usually not available in the shopper. So whenever you see something that you like on IPSY, don't think that you're going to see it later on in an add-on or anything like that. Each sale is really, truly completely different. The shopper is one, the flash sale is another, and the add-ons are a different one. The flash sale shows up after you do your customization choice. So this happened in the previous month, and I'm getting it not in a bag, I'm getting it in a separate envelope from IPSY. So it's really treated completely different. The other thing about the flash sale is they do a lot of bundles that are usually 2 items for $5. That's the ones that I saw. Those are the ones that always intrigue me. And I was really happy that one of the items that I chose, I ended up getting 2 bundles. And both of them are $5 each. I'm going to share them both with you and how it was packaged and everything like that. But one of the bundles that I found was a product that I wanted to repurchase, and I was hoping that it was going to show up in my add-ons, and it didn't. So when I saw it in the flash sale bundle, and I've been looking for it now for a couple of months, it's one of my favorite hand creams. The scent is fantastic, and I'll go through all of that with you. All right, so the bundles that I received, they came in these cute little packages. So I got 2 bundles in these cute little plastic with these little ties. I never got it like this before. Maybe it's because I ordered 2 bundles, and in the past I only ordered 1 bundle. I've only done a flash sale once before. But like I said, I was so intrigued with this. So the first bundle that I got was a brush, which I tell you all the time, when brushes show up in the add-on section for $3, I grab them, because to get a brush for $3, a lot of the brushes that I pick up, if you go in, when you're in the add-on section, if you click on the actual picture, it brings you to another screen, and it gives you a whole description about the product. And usually, if it is a full-size product, it will show the value of the product. So the last brush that I got as an add-on in my IPSY bag, I paid $3 for it, and it was an $18 or $18.50 brush. I mean, the deals are just fantastic in these flash sales and these add-ons. This was a brush that was a brand that I'm not familiar with, and it came with this, and I always tell you guys about these little things. This here is like a fishnet type of thing that it keeps all the bristles together like this. I don't throw these away because I saw once, I don't know if it was on Amazon, it was on some beauty area that I saw, that they were actually selling these, that they say that after you wash your brushes and things like that, if you put it in this type of product, it will keep your bristles the way they should be. So I never throw these away. I also use them when I travel as well. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what this type of product looks like. Okay, so on this one, this is called the F203 powder brush, and the name of the brand, it says it's from the Beauty Crop, and it looks like it has a cute little pineapple on here on the handle. Let's see if I can get close enough so you guys can see. And if I do it the right way, you guys will be able to read the name. There we go. All right, that's it there. And then on this side, this is the powder brush. And it is a really, really pretty brush. So it goes from light pink, that's like an ombre, into a blue, and it's like a rainbow brush. So really, really pretty. It's soft. And like I said, this ended up costing me $2.50. The next item is from this brand called Shaina B. She's out of Miami. I've received a palette from her, an eyeshadow palette from her, and I've seen other girls open up where they got highlighters and blush palettes. I'm impressed with this brand. I didn't know about this brand, and that's why I love IPSY. It introduced us to so many of these brands. And this is in the color Bellini. And if you are a little familiar with me and my channel, I love everything coral, peach, turquoise, all those type of tones. Probably that's how I ended up in Florida. And there's a couple of flamingos in here, but those are the colors that I absolutely love. So when I saw it was a Bellini blush and it came with a full-size brush, all for $5, I had to do it. And that's what this looks like here. So that's the, oh, there's even a beautiful, there's two little flamingo girls. I don't know if you can see it here. I don't know if they're girls, I call them girls. That's what it looks like here. So I'm just gonna do a quick swipe on here. It is just pretty. That's what it looks like here. It is that perfect summertime, beautiful. Look at that. So really happy. So that was the first bundle that I got. And that was just because it had the brush, but then when I saw Bellini and a blush, you know me, I love my bronzers and my blushes, it was a win-win. The next bundle that I got also came in a cute little plastic bag, and this is the product that I'm talking about, and I pulled it out from my bedroom area because before I go to bed at night, I always like to do some hand cream. And there were two items that were in this one that really intrigued me. And I was so happy that the bundle had this second one, because I would have bought anything that came with this, because this is what I was on the hunt for. And I'll go through it with you guys. But it is called Merci Handy. It is a hand cream, and it's called Hello Sunshine. It is the one that is a 1 fluid ounce, and it is just, it is a scent that, you know how we all love the Bum cream? There's something about this that gives me that same effect. It doesn't smell like the Bum cream at all. I'm gonna put it on my hand so that I can try to describe it better, but that's why I ordered this one here. And this is the one that's still sitting beside my bed, but I did not want to be without it. And like I said, I was on the hunt for that. But the second item in here is from Coral Sun, and it's a mineral lip balm, and it has the SPF 15. And this is something that I buy for myself. Every year I have a couple of these. I have it in my bag that I bring when I go to the pool area. And then I have this one, or the beach. This is the one that I always keep where I keep my lipsticks and all that stuff. So that if we're going for a walk or anything, this is the type of balms that I'll put on my lips first. So I know I'm getting SPF protection, because you need SPF everywhere, and the sun here in Florida is so strong that I always make sure that I have these. So when this was the second item, I was over the moon, because this, like I said, is something that I always look for. Even if I'm grocery shopping and there's something with SPF lip balm near the cash, it always ends up in my cart. So really happy to have that. So let me just put this. You know what it smells like? It smells like sunshine. If sunshine had a smell, that's what it smells like. It has a bit of like a, it's just fresh, and it makes you happy. And it's so funny, whenever I talk about this, I never remember that the name is Merci or Merci Handy. I always think that I should remember sunshine. It's Hello Sunshine. I always say it's a white bottle with this yellow writing on it. And I think, you know, I have to remember the name, that it's Merci, handy, and it's a hand cream, and it's Hello Sunshine. It is just happiness in a bottle. And I always call it happy. That's what I call it. I don't call it handy. I always call it happy. So I'm always saying the wrong name, and I apologize for that. So it's Merci, handy, and it's a hand cream. And I'm going to leave this one here on the table so that if I ever want to tell you guys about it, I will remember it, and I'll put this one back beside my bed. But just scrumptious. And I don't know what it is about it, but it lifts my spirits that, you know, some scents can just do that, and this one does it for me. So just to recap, this is a Coral Sun. It's an SPF lip balm with the Merci Handy hand cream in Hello Sunshine. And then the second bundle is from Shaina B Miami, and it is the blush in Bellini, and this is the F203 powder brush from the Beauty Crop. So definitely keep your eyes open for those flash sales. Like I said, they happen during customization. That usually happens around the 3rd week of the month. I am so excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys, because I think I did really, really good. Leave me in the comments down below if you ever purchase anything from the flash sale, or if there's some products that I should look into, because these were absolute finds for me, and I would love your help to make sure that I don't miss out on any. All right. Once again, if you're enjoying my content, I really hope you will choose to leave me a thumbs up. The reason the thumbs up is so important, and it's just below the video where you will see the thumbs up. YouTube will then put my video in front of other people that are not subscribed to my channel yet, but they like this type of content, and I will show up in their feed. So YouTube looks for those thumbs up to then put my video in front of other people. So thank you for doing that for me. It means a lot. I also want to say thank you so much. I appreciate so much that you take some time out of your day to spend it with me here. And I want to make sure that you guys continue to stay safe and stay well. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.